Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back. In this video, I will create a quiz. I create 3 questions for this quiz. Number 1. Write a program to check whether the person is eligible for vote or not. And the second one is write a program that input test score of student and display grade according to following criteria. The mark greater than or equal to 90, grade A, from 80 to 89, grade B, from 70 to 79, C, and from 60 to 69, D, and below 60, F. Number 3. Create a variable and assign any number to it. Then ask user to guess a number. If user guessed correctly, then print you win. If user did not guess correctly, then tell us whether user guessed lower than actual number or higher than actual number. I hope you try your best to solve these problems. In next video, I will solve this quiz. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.